the real reason your savings keep disappearing. Have you ever looked at your bank balance and thought, wait, where did all my money go? You work hard, you try to save, maybe even cut back on a few luxuries, yet somehow your savings never seem to grow. The problem isn't always that you're careless with money. Often, it's the silent everyday habits and hidden expenses that quietly drain your account. In this video, we'll break down the real reasons your savings keep disappearing and what you can actually do to change that. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Number 1. Lifestyle inflation. When earning more means spending more. Every time your income increases, your expenses often rise along with it. You get a promotion and suddenly that old car feels outdated. You start eating out more, shopping at nicer stores, upgrading your phone, or booking better vacations. It feels natural. After all, you've earned it. But this phenomenon known as lifestyle inflation keeps your financial situation stagnant even as your salary climbs. The key to breaking the cycle is awareness. When your income grows, set a rule to increase your savings percentage before anything else. For instance, if you get a 10% raise, put at least 5% of it directly into your savings or investment account before adjusting your lifestyle. That way, your standard of living improves slowly, but your savings grow consistently. Number 2. Subscription creep, the small monthly costs that sneak up. In the age of digital convenience, subscriptions have become one of the sneakiest savings killers. A few dollars here for Netflix, another for Spotify, a premium app, a meal kit, a digital magazine. It all feels minor at first, but over time, these recurring costs quietly add up to hundreds every month. Most people don't even realize how much they're paying for services they rarely use. Take a few minutes each month to check your bank or credit card statements. You might be surprised to find forgotten subscriptions silently renewing in the background. Cancel what you no longer need and bundle services where possible. Remember, small leaks sink big ships, and in this case, they're sinking your savings. Number 3. Emotional spending. When feelings control finances. We often think of spending as logical, but most purchases are emotional. You've had a tough week, so you deserve a new outfit. You're bored, so you scroll through shopping apps. You're celebrating, so you overspend on a fancy dinner. Emotional spending feels harmless in the moment but gradually sabotages your financial stability. To combat it, build a 24-hour rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait a full day. If you still want it after that time, go ahead. More often than not, the urge passes. You can also create a small, fun fund, a set monthly amount for spontaneous spending. That way, you can indulge occasionally without derailing your savings goals. Number 4. The illusion of affordable purchases. Retailers are experts at making you feel like you're saving while you're actually spending more. Flash sales, buy one get one free, and only $5 more for the upgrade tempt you into unnecessary purchases. These marketing tricks make you believe you're getting value when you're really draining your savings on things you didn't need in the first place. Before buying something on sale, ask yourself one question. Asterisk, would I buy this at full price? Asterisk, if the answer is no, you're not saving, you're spending. True saving isn't about finding discounts. It's about resisting temptation altogether. Number 5. Ignoring hidden or irregular expenses. Many people budget for obvious expenses like rent, groceries, and utilities, but forget about irregular costs, car repairs, annual insurance renewals, birthdays, holidays, and medical bills. When these pop up, you dip into your savings to cover them, wiping out months of progress. The solution is to create sinking funds, small monthly contributions toward predictable but infrequent expenses. For instance, if your car insurance is $600 annually, save $50 each month. When the bill comes, you'll already have the money ready. Planning ahead turns financial surprises into expected events, keeping your savings intact. Number 6. Credit card interest, the silent killer of savings. High-interest debt is one of the biggest obstacles to saving money. Many people make only minimum payments, thinking they're managing well. But in reality, interest is quietly piling up, often at rates above 20%. That means even small balances can balloon into large debts over time, devouring the money you could have saved or invested. Make paying off high-interest debt a priority. The avalanche method, paying off the highest interest debts first, saves you the most money over time. Once your balances are gone, redirect those monthly payments straight into savings. It's like giving yourself a raise without earning more. Number 7. Lack of clear financial goals. Save money is a good intention, but it's too vague to motivate you long-term. Without clear goals, your savings have no purpose, and money without purpose tends to get spent. Set specific, measurable targets. A down payment for a house, a $5,000 emergency fund, or a trip to Europe next summer. Having a goal turns saving into a rewarding challenge instead of a restriction. You can even automate transfers into separate savings accounts for each goal. When you see progress, you'll be less tempted to spend impulsively because you'll have something bigger to look forward to. Try visualizing your goals too, like creating a vision board or setting reminders on your phone. It keeps your motivation alive and reminds you why each dollar saved brings you closer to your dream. 8. Not tracking your spending. You can't fix what you don't measure. Most people think they know where their money goes, but when they start tracking, they're shocked by the truth. A few coffees, online deliveries, and random purchases quickly add up. Tracking expenses, even for a month, reveals where your money actually flows, and that awareness alone can change habits. You don't need complex spreadsheets. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even your bank's tracking features. Categorize your spending, identify problem areas, and set limits. Once you see the numbers, you'll be more motivated to stick to your budget and save more intentionally. Review your spending weekly and celebrate small wins, like cutting back on takeout or canceling unused subscriptions. Over time, these small adjustments create real financial control and lasting progress. Number 9. Keeping money too accessible. One reason savings disappear so easily is that they're too easy to access. If your savings account is linked to your debit card or mobile app, a single tap can move money back into checking. That convenience makes it harder to resist temptation. To fix this, separate your savings. Use a high-yield account or even an account at a different bank without an ATM card. Automate transfers right after payday so saving happens before spending begins. Out of sight, out of mind, and out of reach from impulse withdrawals. Number 10. Neglecting an emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, every unexpected event, a car breakdown, medical bill, or job loss, becomes a financial crisis. You end up dipping into long-term savings or swiping your credit card, creating a cycle of debt and depletion. Building an emergency fund should be your top priority. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Start small. Even saving 1 month's worth gives you peace of mind and financial security. It's your safety net, protecting your savings from being wiped out by life's surprises. Your savings aren't disappearing because you're bad with money. They're vanishing because modern life is designed to make spending effortless. But awareness changes everything. When you understand where your money goes, you can make smarter choices, build better habits, and create lasting wealth. Start small. Track your expenses, automate savings, and pay yourself first. Over time, those little actions compound into real financial freedom. The truth is simple. Saving money isn't about sacrifice. It's about taking control of your future. And once you do, your savings won't just stop disappearing. They'll start multiplying. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.